Good day, this is Graham Bibby here from sells.Protection. It's the 21st of June 2013. Last night's market action was a bit of a downdraft, so there are no actual buys this week. In fact, there are a couple of sells. I just want to show you some of the market action. This is the S&P 500 in front of us, and I'm pointing to it just on the left here with this cursor. We move over to the right. You can see here where that circle is, that was the support level for the S&P 500, and we successfully held that, and we were actually breaking to new high until really last night when we had a 2.5% down day. We did have a down day the day before, but we were still within that uptrend. So right now we are marginally below our stop loss point. So we have to be very cautious with the market at this point. If we go across to the Dow Jones Industrials, this is this index, and you can see here that this was a support level here, and we're just breaking that support level now. So that's a bit negative, again, especially as that bottom here and the following one here was higher, that was higher. It was looking like an uptrend, so that's actually turned down. And then if we go to the Nasdaq, it's a similar picture. I wouldn't say it's outrightly bearish at the moment, because that top over here is higher than the previous top, and this was higher. So it's one down day, but we have to be very cautious. And you don't want to buy if the overall market direction's turning down, because invariably it takes all stocks with them. There are a couple of sells. One of them is Urban Outfitters, which has broken its stop loss, which was at this level. It's significantly broken that, so that will be a sell today. We look at Microsoft, which I'm a bit disappointed with, because that stock was looking great, but the thing is, we operate stop losses. 34 was really the last point of a stop loss for it. It's broken that, so we'll sell it. I'm always willing to buy stocks back later, but the key to long-term profits is protection from the downside. Gilead Sciences we've already sold, and I just want to point out here, it's marginally broken below that point. Basically what happened here is we'd gone below our stop loss point and then recovered a bit, but this top here is lower than this top, and then the bottom's lower, so that signals to me a downtrend. And if you go down here, this is a relative strength index. If it's above where this arrow is, which is the moving average, if it's above this dotted line, this line here, that tells us this stock is outperforming the Dow Jones, and if it's below it, it's underperforming it. So we've sold that stock already, so that's good. Celgene, we need to sell this stock. That's not looking good. It rallied quite strongly, it's turned over, that needs to go. And sadly, Yahoo, which has made huge profits for us, is now a sell. It's gone below 26, marginally below, so that'll have to be a sell. Again, safety first, and it's all just part of the portfolio. Everything else looks reasonably good. SodaStream was actually just marginally to the stop loss, but it was up yesterday 2.49%. That is huge, because if you think about the market's down 2.5% and it's up 2.49%, that shows good underlying strength. Other stocks, they all sold off. This was down 1.1%, but we're still at or near all-time highs. Lionsgate, which I like a lot, similar thing. That top now is lower than that one, but we've still got higher bottoms, so it's fine. So right now, we had a great week until Thursday's bit of negativity, with the Federal Reserve saying that they might start to ease off all this money they're pumping into the system and ease off next year, so it's a bit of a way off. Market's taking it negatively, and then a lot of people have pulled out this week. So Graham Bibby here from stockmarkets.com, really protecting you from the downside now, and that's where I think I really earn my money. Our portfolios have done fantastic this year. They're up significantly, a lot more than the market. So please stay tuned, and I'll be back with you the same time next week. So thank you for listening, and have a great weekend.